What's up guys, so in today's video, we are going to film a video saying how to vlog for beginners, tips and tricks. So let's get this video started with vlogging and stuff like that. So I'm going to do like little scenes back to back. So that means I'm going to put my scenes right here. And you guys, I'm going to keep walking and come back to my camera. Put my camera right there, keep walking, come back to my camera. It's going to be the same thing. So let me show you guys the process of doing. So I'm going to put a perfect process and I'm going to put the end, and that's going to be like the unedited footage kind of thing. So yeah. Perfect timing is not, I was about to say, it's not that many cars, but right now there is too many cars, so I gotta do this really fast. And sometimes when you see people behind the background, you have to wait for a little bit, because I don't want them to see like, oh, there's a chance you can steal my camera. Oh, thank God it's open. But I have to do this back and forth. So there's things to do. Because it's just the things. So the time got out was 6:48, and time closed in the store is 7:30. So it's now 7 o'clock. So it takes me a long time to go back and forth, get the camera, come back and forth, and all that stuff. So yeah. Okay, so telling the story is not a perfect thing to do. It's not a perfect thing to do. So I mean, you have to do be careful with the shots, and get some B-roll shots. You guys have to do this. Okay. Oh my gosh, the camera so. Okay. Now I have to do this last shot, and I'm done. One more shot, and I think I'm done. So it can be also dangerous of leaving your camera behind, but I'm here for you guys. I need to film a video anyways about how to vlog for videos and tips and stuff like that. But for vlogging like this, it's very easy to vlog, but yeah. If you guys are wondering what's so dangerous about this, because I live across the street from the house, so that means that has to be over here now. I have to put my camera over here and do a half point over there and do the other half point. So that means I'm gonna be all the way down to that tree. You guys hear me say that was the scariest things in my life to do. At the same time, when you edit this video, the video you did was so perfect and kind of thing, and you put music in the background. Well, we saw how far if you get that B-roll shot. With vlogging, you have to be like with vlogging, it just have to be your personality. Your personality has to come hyped up for vlog, and you're like, hey, I'm vlogging today, and what's gonna be? So you guys in the next YouTube video on Friday. So that's how many vlogs those vloggers do, and